this is going to be hopefully a super short video in our this little toothpick, or half a toothpick, as sorted a frame out for me that I really like but struggling with. So we'll go right into it. So to start off with, I'll shoot a 90mm outer just to fill you in. That's my size of frame I like. Yeah, my trusty Titan 90mm 25 tips. Problem I have is I like 90. I've shot 90 for a long time, but I don't really think I'm a 90 shooter. Probably 85, because there's my anchor right to the eye. So I think I could probably get away with a small outer, because see this line here, that's my 10m reference there. Normally it should be corner of the frame, I'd imagine, for most people would be there, but for me it's there. And then obviously 15 would be probably there somewhere, and then so on, 20 there. So it's not quite there, it's not quite there, it's there. And I just imagine if I got a bit closer, it'd go up. But yeah, so always 10 meters is always there, and then sort of 15, 20s through that line there, which it doesn't bother me because I've got these two as references, so I sort of know. What the problem is I've got this lovely Echo by Silent Assassin Slingshots. It was sent to me by my mate John. He gifted it to me. He's a big Echo fan. He builds his own frames as well. He makes a lovely Vixen, which is in the process of making me now. So that'll be ready in a few weeks. So I'll have that and put that through his paces, and we'll have a look at that. But anyway, I really like this, and he said to me, you know, I think it'd be your style of frame. 90, 25 tips, nice frame, G10, green G10 liners, and carbon pins, slanted tips. So it's got all the positives going for it. On paper, I should be, you know, I'm a decent shot, so in theory I should be smashing it. When I first got it, yeah, 40mm bang, put it down, go back, nothing. Couldn't hit it, stressing out, so I put it down again, on it, off of it. So what it come down to really is just I had nothing to reference, because I you know, it's a wrap and tuck, so there's not really nothing there to reference on. So what I did was a little toothpick, and I offered up the Titan, and there we go. And that's sorted me out. Simple and effective. I know you can put little pen marks on and all that, it rubs off. And if I had a bit of fibre optic, I can't find any, I probably would have put that in there. That's probably what's going to go. That's what it's probably going to be. And if I get one of these made, then obviously I'd work it all out, and then I'd have the little fibre optics in. So that would be. But for now, it's doing the job. So it's a simple little fix I thought I'd show you all, and just say if you've got a frame that's not working, try and adapt it, and that's what I've done here. Nothing to do with the frame or how it's made. It's just purely how I shoot, and I really like it, and rather than dismiss it, I've made a little improvise, and it's working. So that's it really, just a short little quick video. If it helps, it helps. If you guys got a better idea, please let me know. I suppose everyone's going to say, oh well, you know, try a smaller outer, but I've got some nice frames that I've had made, and like 90, so I've shot 90 for the last 2 years, and mainly, to be fair, I shoot a Titan and a Champ, which is I've got 2 Titans and a custom Champ made by PVS, and that's all I shoot. At the moment I'm with the Champ, on shooting the Champ, so that's same as this. So it's got the same, exactly the same hole so I know and it works. Anybody else got any quirky little way they shoot? Let me know, put something in the comments, or if there's anything you want me to do in a video or whatever, let me know.